Hey everyone, welcome to Openhym Residence Hall. This residence hall was renovated just this past summer. Everything in here is brand new. This primarily caters to sophomores. We have double rooms in here and even some singles for you to live in if you'd like. It's an awesome building. We have a brand new kitchen, activities available all the time, and there's even a floor dedicated to the Judson Leadership Center. So if you're working on a leadership minor, then you can live on that floor and have a nice community with all your friends. Hey guys, welcome to the makerspace here on Openhym. So this is the space that was designed by STEM majors for STEM majors. You got the high top tables here, plenty of seating, power right overhead to keep you going with all the projects that you're working on. Storage behind us for all your projects. Whatever you're working on for your different STEM courses, this is definitely the space to do it. Great collaborative space to work on problems with your friends. So Op has this really incredible kitchen. As you can see, there's plenty of seating in here for you to come in, eat with your friends, hang out. Now if you're interested in cooking, we have 2 ranges here, stoves, plenty of burners, 2 ovens, refrigerator for you to keep your food, and then all of the storage you can need. So one of the really neat things about living in Openhym is the fact that on each floor you're going to have 3 washers and 4 dryers, so you don't have to walk down the stairs to do your laundry. You have the laundry available right on your floor. It is incredibly convenient. And you can set the washers and dryers so they text you when everything is done. Yeah, Openhym, on every floor, there's a common room just like this. So you can come out, hang out on the couches with your friends, maybe have some snacks, work on homework at the tables here. And then there's also a microwave and sink for use at any time, which is incredibly convenient.
Hi there, welcome to the single loft rooms in Openhym. I just love how much room it gives us, and the view is just wonderful.
Double rooms in Openhym come with 2 beds, 2 desks, 2 sets of drawers, 2 closets, and a thermostat to control the temperature.
Hi there, my name is Megan Jones. I am a current student ambassador, resident assistant, and one of the senior students living in the Openhym Residence Hall. So just recently, Openhym was renovated. So there are new rooms, new kitchens, new living facilities, new study lounges for the students, and we even have a really cool elevator, which I know probably doesn't sound cool, but it's very nice taking you up to the 3rd floor. The Openhym staff here is pretty cool. We're pretty well rounded. If you guys aren't aware, we actually do have an Instagram. You'll be able to find it under AU_Openhomies. It's a pretty cool nickname. Basically, what that Instagram does is it keeps not only the students living in this building, but the students at home, the students on other residence halls of campus. It keeps them updated with the events that the RAs are doing within Openhym. If there was a resident of the week, which we try to elect a new resident every single week, you would see those people posted on the Instagram as well. And basically the Instagram is just like a fun community. But overall, that's just the general summary of Openhym. And thank you guys so much. Have a great day.